One investment that you're the proudest of.
The Oxford Golf Resort.
One favorite real estate project till date that has excited you the most.
Oxford Village at Vanodi.
At Vanodi, okay. The next big thing in entrepreneurship that you see.
To develop a new business, which I can love.
Beautiful. And one of the things that your partner has asked me to ask you. So the two googly questions. Grandson or granddaughter?
Granddaughter.
Ashok Kothari or Paraksha?
For now, let's choose Paraksha.
Favorite sports personality you'd love to have dinner with?
Oh, Nadal. Anytime. Tennis.
Lovely. Morning workouts or evening yoga?
Morning. Always morning.
Your favorite travel destination?
Oh, London. I love London. For the only reason is I like the vibe. I like the city's vibe. It's like multicultural, great restaurants, and great climate.
Beautiful. And exotic locations still on your bucket list?
The Himalayas.
Best dish you've ever tasted and where?
Japanese at the O Hotel.
You're more a tea person or a coffee person?
Tea.
Suit or casual wear?
Only casual.
Books or podcasts?
Never read a book. Podcast.
A movie or series you'd recommend for a business leader?
Only one. 3 parts of Godfather. Killer.
Who's the most inspiring person you've ever met?
Amitabh Bachchan.
If you weren't an entrepreneur, what do you think you would be?
India's most famous surgeon.
Really?
Top class.
Anil, I want you to
My
explain.
hand doesn't shiver at all, so I can operate.
Favorite childhood memory?
Having an evening snack on a holiday with my father, that's the only memories I have.
A talent most people don't know you have.
Punctuality. I'm spiritual
Yeah, I didn't know that.
and I'm heavily spiritual. If you know, I played golf with Sadhguru so many times. I adore him. He's another personality if you ask me. Okay.
Mountains or beaches?
Beach anytime.
Sunrise or sunset?
Only sunrise.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs.
A tech gadget you can't live without?
In fact, let me tell you the story. I hate tech gadgets, although I wear them. But I'm getting off tech gadgets in the next 12 months.
Any reason why?
I don't want the electronics. I don't want all that. I think I can do without it. It's just becoming a bad habit, like alcohol.
One skill every leader should learn?
To follow his heart.
Lovely. What does success mean to you in one word?
If you can make a difference to whoever you come across, that is success.
Beautiful. If you could time travel, would you go to the past or the future?
Oh, future.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
If I can heal everybody.
Beautiful. One law you enact if you could.
No law I can enact. No answer to that.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Oh my God. Now I've already told you so much about myself. Well, I'm disciplined. I think I'm pretty sincere in my approach. And I believe in what I do.
One piece of advice you'd give your younger self.
That spend time more studying and playing with school children. And don't divert the way I did.
If you could sum up your life philosophy in a sentence, what would it be?
I think it'll be nice to be well remembered for doing some good creations, being different than others. So a person with a difference.
Yes. This was a real pleasure. And Uncle, I've had so much fun listening to you.